Welcome. If you're looking to make your Discord mobile experience smoother and more immersive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the full screen gesture feature on Discord Mobile, updated for the latest version. This quick setting can make your chats feel cleaner and give you more space to enjoy your conversations without any distractions. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you see your servers and chats. Next, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings, where you can customize all sorts of options to make Discord work best for you. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Advanced. Tap on Advanced to open up some extra features that aren't immediately visible on the main settings page. Now, within the Advanced settings, look for a section called LaunchPad. This is where Discord hides some of its newer and more experimental features. Under LaunchPad, you'll see an option called Full Screen Gesture. Tap on it to enable the feature. That's it. You've just turned on Full Screen Gesture for Discord Mobile. With this setting enabled, you'll notice that navigation feels a lot more fluid. You can swipe between channels and servers more easily, and the interface will use your entire screen, giving you a cleaner, more modern look. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the full screen gesture option back off. So, whether you're chatting with friends, managing your server, or just exploring new communities, this small change can make a big difference in how Discord feels on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.